Hi guys, in this video I'm going to talk to you about some of the new features that has been introduced in FIFA 15. The first feature that I would really like to explain to you is about the emotional intelligence. There are more than 600 new emotional reactions. Now players now respond to big moments on the pitch as they would in real life. Each player has an attitude of feeling towards every teammate and opponent on the pitch, like bad tackles, missed chances, and crucial goals. All 22 players on the pitch will react naturally based on what's happening during the match. Um Facial expressions and body language will let you experience the attitudes and emotions of your favorite players. Dynamic match presentation is another feature where match day is dynamic and alive. You will stay in the moment, immersed in the action on and around the pitch. Custom behaviors mean unique crowds with cheers and chants based on their club or country. Iconic stadiums look incredibly authentic and feel fully realized with recognizable fans and unique atmosphere. The commentators will reflect on how the fans are reacting, like the Manchester City crowd doing the Persona and club songs. And another features are board boy animations. Bench reactions means the bench. Now during a celebrations, the bench just are also shown how the bench reacts. And active LED boards are all some of the good features in FIFA 15. And another feature that has been introduced is about the 10-man celebration. And another feature is about the team tactics that has been used in FIFA 15. It's incredibly good. The teammates and opponents now recognize what's happening in a match and will adjust their tactics and playing style to gain the advantage, like parking the bus in the mixture and time wasting. Familiar tactics which could be used in order to overcome uh, on winning the game. You will be able to set your team mentally to park the bus to counter your opponent's team tactics. You are able to see the long balls pinched into the box as your AI opponent tries to get back in the game, or watch them head for the corner flag as they attempt to win down the clock. Another feature is about the visual authentic player visuals. This you will be able to see level of detail in the player faces, which could be possible, which has been possible with the physically based rendering lighting system. There could also be noticeable hair movement and facial reactions. With the new introduction of character models and rigging system means player look and feel lean, powerful and athletic, and also the kids move realistically and change with the environment becoming dirty with mud and grass as the match progresses. And another feature is about the living pictures, where it's a great feature, and as I think that it's being introduced for first time. I think all the features are introduced for the first time. And living pitch, it's a feature where the boots will leave their mark, playing surfaces wear down over time and reflect the battle on the pitch. Footprints and debris and slide tackles will all be visible. And now another feature is about the corner flags now moves, and the goal frame shake with awesome strikes, and animated LED boards also give an even deeper level of realism to the matches. Agility and control and correct contacts is another feature where the attackers can now leave defenders for dust and use the ball like the world's best footballers. Players more realistically with athleticism, improved balance and closer control, giving greater responsiveness and personality to your favorite stars. Run, touch, dribbling will let you keep will let you keep the ball in a sprint or when looking for an opening in close touch situation. Iconic players like Leo Messi, as you can see in this picture, will dribble and move like they do in real life. Movement of ball in FIFA 15 changes the name. You will see accurate spin, curl and flight of the football as it moves realistically after each contact. Experience authentic ball physics while dribbling, passing, taking a touch or blocking a shot. The next feature is about the man-to-man battles. In FIFA 15, the battle for the ball intensify all of the pitch. Players are more physical and use position and tackles to win the ball and keep it. We are also rewarded for good positioning and timing. Fill the game with new shoulder barges and big for physics. Short pulling is another technology. Uh, it is possible with the new player visuals and improved technology, and you are also able to command set pieces, take control and position. Uh, take control and position of the ball teammates during throw-ins, corners and free kicks, so they are best placed to receive a pass and create attacking opportunity. Another feature and the last feature is about the set piece control. You'll be able to command set pieces, positioning of the ball teammates during throw-ins, corners, free kicks, so they are best placed to receive and pass and create attacking opportunities. I think these are some of the new exciting features, and we will wait till September 23rd in order to see all things, and I hope you enjoy.